Hello and good morning. Today is the day of Arafah. This is 5th June and it is celebrated worldwide as the Environment Day. Today's theme is Beat Plastic Pollution. And for the ones who don't know, the meaning of Arafah is to acknowledge and to know. Arafah has a great significance in the history of Islam. This is the premise for today's video to emphasize the acknowledgement and knowledge. I think it's a powerful connection to link these two ideas. 5th June is celebrated for the Environment Day. And today's theme is Beat Plastic Pollution. And there can't be a better day to talk about this message. So today, all of us are here to celebrate Arafah and to celebrate safe environment. And we all say in one voice, beat plastic pollution. Happy Arafah.